Today we talk about how can you enable dark mode on your money manager app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on configuration here. When you just click on it, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on style, and you come to next step here, click here on dark mode. Then here automatically it's going to change with you here to dark mode on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.